Let me demonstrate the comprehensive filtering software. Generated numbers include custom-generated numbers, global number generation reference, mobile phone number export. Check the filter duplicates. The process of generating numbers or importing numbers will filter out duplicate numbers. Country code 85 to number 543200000. Generate the last four numbers in order. The total is 1000. Then the generated phone number 0852543200000, 852543200001, 852543200002, 852543200003. You can also view the global mobile phone number rules in the software to generate mobile numbers. Click Generate. Global number generation reference. Select the country, city, area code, and number segment in turn. Click Generate. Import a batch of numbers from local. Start filtering WhatsApp accounts. Scan the code to log in to the WhatsApp account, and use the WhatsApp account permissions to filter the number. The more WhatsApp accounts you scan to log in, the faster the filtering speed, and the fewer filtering restrictions. When using all WhatsApp accounts you are logged into will be used at the same time. If the specified number is 3, the software will use 3 accounts for filtering at the same time. When an account is restricted, it will automatically switch to the next account for filtering, cyclic operation. Set filter number rules. Check to get avatar, identify gender, age, personalized signature, and personalized signature language according to the avatar. Set the filtering speed. The larger the filtering speed setting, the faster the filtering speed. When the value is set too large, it needs to be reduced. Set the filtering interval in milliseconds. The smaller the value, the faster the speed. Start filtering. Filter complete. Query by condition. Check the registered WhatsApp account. Click Search. Export the mobile number of the registered WhatsApp account.